arrived at the Art of Animation again after last night not being able to catch up with our family. But they're here, and now we're going to go meet them at the Art of Animation.
You might have already seen them in all of our other videos.
Yes, I did see that we were coming to meet some people, but we didn't get to see them, did we? So they didn't get in their room until 12 o'clock, that's right, Finley. And so we're here. So we're trying this for round 2. So we're going to go meet them in Landscape of Flavours because that is where they are getting breakfast this morning. Was it you were saying last night, Marky? So we found them. You will have seen them in our videos before. Yes, we are here with the Dutton family. Simba. Thank you, Sally. You're not ready for vlogging yet, no. So this is a Lion King suite. This is very swanky.
It's just a suite, I think. It's the Lion King, one of the Lion King rooms.
It is so cool. Look at that light.
Oh, go turn it on, Sam.
How do you turn it on? Oh,
Cool. There's a little stamp.
oh, a little stand. Stampy stamp.
So pretty.
I bet that was so nice at night.
When we walked in, that's
Oh, was that what was on?
yeah, and the TV obviously.
Oh. So this is a sofa bed then. All fell back into a sofa. And it has a little kitchenette area here. Fridge and a microwave. Coffee machine. There's a little chair and some drawer space, TV, hanging space there. This is also a fold down bed, isn't it? That one. So that's one of those fold down, yeah, Murphy bed. But it also means you've got a proper dining table as well, which is cool. Bathroom is around here. That sunset on those tiles is to die for. That's awesome. And a shower curtain. Boomba! And then the main room in here. Double bed. Hey! There is also a TV and more storage and hanging space.
Yeah, and windows cracked there, that helps.
Oh no, it's the hyenas.
Wow.
But it's nice having like a little bit of a vegetation type view, isn't it?
Put it in your bag.
The window.
Just a lake.
Just, yeah. Just a lake. And then there's a second bathroom. In here, this one's got a proper walk-in shower in it, and that's also got the gorgeous sunset tiles. So yeah, this is a quick little walk around a Lion King suite at the Art of Animation Resort. These rooms are designed to sleep 6, and you could probably bring like a rollaway in here for like a baby or something. So they can bring a crib in here for you. So these are quite big for families that have got a few more kids or adults that, you know, want to share the cost out of a room.
It's on the toilet already. Yeah.
3 couples could easily get in here. Nice.
Easily. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you think, Jacob? You like it?
What's wrong with him?
Nicely themed. It's a very, 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 very big resort. with lots of blocks and lots of sections. So the main standard rooms are in Little Mermaid, which is up here. These are standard rooms, 2 queen rooms, 2 queen bedrooms even.
Good, thank you.
And then
you'll have to excuse
everything
the
else.
background noise. Then try and get the camera on.
These are suites.
I'm actually on by.
It's an Epcot kind of day with extended family. Let's ride with the fam. Mission space. Dutton's in the rover.
You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft, the X-2 Space Shuttle.
So we successfully made it to Mars.
Wait, hold on. If we made it to Mars, so if we're in Mars, are we gonna walk off the planet onto Mars?
I don't know. Are we? So we were just saying that the boards were still up the last time we were here, and now they're all down. It's cool. And it's a very pretty space. Some nice little places you can have a sit. Have a little sit around. I'm pretty sure there'll be some booths in here soon for food and wine. That's where the new building is over there, where they've got the Encanto show at the moment. Yes. And then this is the new building where you can meet Mickey and friends. So Communicore Hall is there, open now. It's a seating area.
Is it really?
Yes. So we had a fab time on Mission Space, and now, after a little chill and walk slowly across the park, because that's the theme of this holiday, it's nice and steady, and we are now at the land.
Have a nice flight.
Hey Jacob! I think they look like pirates and you just want to go arrgh!
Alice wasn't at 9 o'clock when the park closed.
gonna be brave.
Trust me.
Behind him, he's just going to go whoosh.
This is none other than Drax the Destroyer.
See? Even she knows who I am. There's a need of distraction.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? Welcome, Epcot Terrans. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time.
24 on the outside view wall.
So we checked out of the Grand Floridian this morning and we are now at our third hotel of the holiday so far, and we're home at our DVC resort, Animal Kingdom Lodge. So we are all checked in and we are off on a little mission to find our room. Super exciting because this is our first home resort. We love it here. Absolutely love Animal Kingdom Lodge. Totally one of our faves. So we are in 7853 and it is a 2-bedroom villa. Ooh, exciting.
What's in it?
So, should we do a room tour before everybody gets here? We are staying in room 7853.
Welcome.
So, as you come in through the door, immediately on the left is the first bedroom. So, in here then, we have a shower over bath, toilet, unit. Immediately on the right, we have the washing facilities.
Amazing.
Amazing because I've got a lot of washing.
And probably so does Sally.
Yes. Then you come into what is the main living area. So here on the left we've got a full kitchen. So we've got dishwasher, fridge freezer, oven, microwave, hob, full coffee machine, cupboard stacked with
Stuff.
cooking utensils.
Fridge.
So, yeah,
ice.
cupboard stacked with cooking utensils, glassware, plates, saucepans down there. So coffee, fully stacked kitchen ready to go. We then have the seated area and Jacob is going to talk us through about the table.
So, look on the back of the chairs. Can you see it?
I can. What is it, Jacob?
It's a picture of a lion.
It is, isn't it? Is it Mufasa, do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know. The guy who owns
Tables.
A nice rustic looking table, isn't it? In with the theme in.
Looks very African.
Bench seat in there.
It's comfortable and not comfortable at the same time.
There we go then.
Patterns on the back.
Some nice artwork and light.
Now, come over here.
We've got an enormous TV.
That's massive.
This side then we'll have the TV,
Disney.
the cupboard unit, which also has lots of animals carved into it.
Lots of animals, literally.
And then around to the left where Finley is sitting, there is
Hey Disney.
Hey, this is stupid.
Hey Disney. It might be muted still.
Look how much is that?
So we've got a little coffee table, a sofa that is actually a sofa bed, and that's where the boys are going to be sleeping. And this chair here is also a single sleeper sofa bed.
Yes. True.
If we go to the left of the room, as being as this is where we are.
Master bedroom.
So this is, yes, the master room with the king bed for the king. So, yeah, super king bed. More lions, Simba and Nala. Very cute. Very cute.
And also a bunch of weird patterns.
And, yeah, we've got more storage. Another TV and storage unit there. Desk. Luggage rack. Love the lamps with the ostrich eggs. That's so cool. Again, lovely carvings everywhere. Little bedside chair, bedside cabinets that do have sockets in them with USBs too, which is what we're all looking for these days. Some lovely African artwork. And then this is the master bath. Do we have any more lights, Marky? There we go, a little bit more light.
No, why not?
So, on the left-hand side as you walk in, you have your closet space. Oh, there we go, with the safe. Some extra blankets and pillows for the sofa bed. There is the toilet, which has
we can lock Daddy in.
which has got a full-length mirror. There is an enormous walk-in shower with a little seat. You know, you can have a little rest while you're having a shower. Nice. Disney body wash, etc.
Very
It's
good.
absolutely gorgeous tile work that runs the length of this room.
A bath.
With the savannah.
A jacuzzi bath.
And there is a jacuzzi bath.
Perfect.
Jacuzzi bath, amazing. There is a single sink in here and lots of storage underneath. Heading out of here back into the main area, then we'll go into the second bedroom area, which is through here. Follow Jacob, he knows the way.
You have
Okay, let's go around this way first, where we have some wardrobe hanging space in here, lots of storage in here, also a good area there for storing cases if needed. We have what effectively then is the third bathroom with another toilet, and behind the door here another shower over bath. So there are 3 bathrooms in this room in total.
not enough.
A nice big sink unit with again lots of storage.
Overall.
A cupboard here. Jacob, did you say that was more wardrobe space? Yeah, that's another closet. And then into...
What storage would you need?
Oh, yeah. And then this one is a double queen room. So, yeah, 2 beds. Again, some lovely artwork. That map is stunning.
Yeah, fans in both bedrooms.
They
Fans.
do. They've got fans above the bed, which is always nice.
True.
Desk area as
Fan.
well.
Like
Lights.
unique.
They are some unique drapes there, aren't they?
Turn that fan off though.
And a bedside table with the usual sockets and stuff in. The light switches. And this room also has a balcony off it. As
Pretty
does
big
the
balcony.
lounge,
Pretty
and
big
as
balcony.
does the master bedroom.
Which is a pretty big balcony.
It is. So let's go and see if we can get the lights on the balcony. So you can see just about that this balcony runs the full length of the villa.
Stop.
And we have been very lucky to secure a partial savannah view. So it's a bit dark down here right now. So you don't, yeah, it's a bit dark down there right now. So I'm not going to see a fat lot of anything, but we'll be able to show you that in the morning. And so we'll be able to go see animals all the way along here.
Hi, and welcome to a different version of this channel. My name's Elaine, otherwise known as Nanny Angel by my grandchildren, and today is something a little bit different for me and a little bit different for the family too. As you will know already, by the time you start watching these vlogs, you'll know that Samantha and Mark and the boys flew over on the 9th last Friday. The Duttons, Sally, my youngest daughter, her husband Ross, and my granddaughters flew yesterday and arrived last night. I fly tomorrow to join them. Now this is a bit of an adventure for me for a special birthday, and so it's my adventure, and I've decided that I wanted to do everything in an order that I wanted it to be. So I got a taxi to my local train station, Lichfield Town Valley, changed at Crewe, and then got a train into Manchester Airport. And I'm now sitting in the Ibis Budget Hotel opposite Terminal 2. I'll give you a little tour in a minute. So tomorrow I'm flying not direct, I'm flying indirect, which is first for me, to be honest. And so I fly at 9:25 in the morning into Dublin, where fortunately I should be able to clear US pre-customs, and that should save me some time the other end. I then catch a flight from Dublin at 2 p.m. over to MCO, and once there I've booked a Mears coach to take me to my hotel. Now my hotel that I'm staying in is Disney All-Star Music. The two girls and their families actually moved to Animal Kingdom today, and so they will be there for a week. The second week of my holiday I'm moving into an apartment with Sally and Ross and the girls, and then my final night will be at the Adventurer Hotel, because by that time they will have all left. They'll all be home, and I'll be left in Florida on my own. So thank you for watching. Sam will probably edit this and cut everything out, but not to worry. And I'll see you. I'll do a room tour for you next, and then I'll see you the next time. Thank you. Bye bye. This is my room tour of the Ibis Budget Hotel opposite Terminal 2 at Manchester Airport. I'm sure a lot of you have seen these vlogs before, but this one I just thought we would do as it's a bit more up to date, just in case there's been any changes. So it's very small, very simple, just what you need for a night before you fly. And so when you walk in the door, to your left is the bathroom door. Everything you need, toilets, very clean, hand washes, shower gel, nice mirror, vloggy wave, fresh towels, everything you need really, just for the one night stay. This is the room. As I said, it's very small, very simple, but it's ideal just for me or even two people. Hanging there, suitcases there, TV on the wall, a small desk with a lamp, kettle and drinks making station, And then when you look at the bed, you'll see that there are USB points and sockets either side. So plenty of places to charge, a shelf to put your phone on, and then these are little reading lights, should you need them. So that's it. Very simple, very small, very clean, very happy. A good option for Terminal 2 Manchester Airport. Thank you.
Made it this far through our videos. I'd just like to say thank you very much from all of us for watching.
And subscribe, hit the notification bell and comment down below.